Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your Mac. So let's just go right into your Apple logo. On the top left hand side of your screen you will see this Apple logo. Just click on it, and from there your second option will be System Preferences. That's where your update's going to be. Now if you guys are not in the latest macOS, then your updates will all be under the App Store. However, now that you guys are up to date and you're just doing this small update, let's just go right up to here. Now under System Preferences, we're going to see Software Update. So we're just going to click right there. So that's down here below, Software Update. Let's just click right there. Now it will take a little bit of time just checking for updates, and you will find the latest one for you guys. Now the latest one isn't big. It's only something about a gig and a half or something like that. So let's just click on more info so you guys can see exactly. So yes, it's exactly 1.25 gigs. So that's very small. It should not take more than 5 minutes. However, if you guys have slower internet, yes, this can take a lot longer, okay? With slow internet, it could take 30 minutes, an hour, depending how slow your internet is, because it does need to download this update. Then it's just gonna restart. You guys will see an Apple logo, a loading bar, and that's about it. So it's not a huge update, but it is significant. Before we go on and click on update now, I highly recommend going into your Time Machine and backing up your Mac. So that's up here, and you guys should back up now, okay? As long as you guys are backed up, just in case something goes wrong, we can always go back in time, and that's it. Alright, so Time Machine, I do have a separate video about that, showing you guys how that works. It's something that's pre-installed on your Mac anyways, and you guys can set it up with an external hard drive. Regardless, I have a separate video showing you guys that. You guys can go right into my channel and check that out. For now, we're just going to click on Update Now. We're going to download and restart. So if you guys are working on any projects or anything like that, don't do this update just yet. Do this update before or after any projects that you guys might have on your Mac. Like I mentioned, this will take for some of you less than 5 minutes in total. That means installing and downloading time. Others can take 30 minutes. I wouldn't say anything longer than that. So if you're stuck there 2 hours, might be something wrong with your internet connection. That's where I tell you guys, well, just hook up your Mac, whichever Mac you guys have, directly into your router using an Ethernet cable, and that should speed up the process. Anyways guys, I can't really record the restart process because it's just gonna turn off on me. I'm gonna see a black screen, Apple logo, loading bar, it's gonna restart again, and that's about it. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.